Okay, past perfect continuous tense is used with the specific an action that had happened in specific or begin in a specific point of time in the past, and it is continued to a specific point of time in the past. In this condition, we have to use past perfect continuous tense. Let's discuss. Past perfect continuous tense. Tense. Definition, structure, definition, structure, structure, structure and examples. Examples. Definition, structures and example. The past perfect tense is used past perfect tense is used to express an action, to express an action that begin in the past and continued with a specific time, big time in the past, time in the past, in the past. Let's see, the past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that began in the past. This action also begin with a specific time. Understand? This begin with a specific time and action that began in the past and continued with a specific time in the past. Structure, 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 subject plus had plus before plus object. Subject plus had plus before, verb plus before is equal to verb plus ing, verb plus ing. Understand? Subject plus had plus verb plus ing plus object. Examples. Singers had been singing a song since 2 o'clock. Understand? Singers have been singing a song since 2 o'clock. Ram had been reading a novel, reading a Bible since last month. Since last month. Since last month. She had been taking care had been taking care she had been taking care her parent of 7 years. This is duration. For is for duration, since for point of time. Okay. Paul had been editing the thesis Paul had been editing the thesis for 6 hours. Understand? These are the examples of past perfect continuous tense. So past perfect continuous tense is used in a specific time, that an action that began in a specific time in the past and continued to another specific time in the past. This duration we have to use past perfect continuous tense. Okay, the example of the past perfect continuous tense is structure subject plus had plus before plus object. You have to use had plus before is equal to verb plus ing. Alright. Okay, these examples are here. Let's see. Singers had been singing a song. Singers had been singing a song since 2 o'clock. They are continued to before 2 o'clock. They begin to sing, and they are still singing at that time in the past. So we have to use singers had been. They were singing a song before 2 o'clock, and they were still singing at that time. The singers had been singing a song since 2 o'clock. Only one song 2 o'clock. Understand? A song. No need to songs. Many songs singers. We have two songs. Okay. Ram had been reading a Bible since last month. It's continued. He started in the past and continued in the past with a specific time. Understand? At that time, Ram had been reading a Bible since last month. In this condition, we have to use past perfect continuous tense. She had been taking care of her parents for 7 years. For is used for the specific period of time, and since is the specific point of time. In this condition, we have to use she had been taking care of her parents for 7 years. Understand? In this condition, we have to use past perfect continuous tense. Paul had been editing the thesis for 6 hours. It takes 6 hours. 6 hours before he was editing till the 6 until 5:30 he was editing. At that time, Paul had been editing thesis for almost complete, almost complete. During this time, he almost complete. Starting with the action begin and the finishing. In the past, almost finished and the start. In this condition, we have to use past perfect continuous tense. So, for past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that began in the past and continued with a specific time in the past. Understand? Express an action that began in the past and continued with a specific time in the past. Understand? Alright.